What's up, everybody? Phantom Cheese Gamer here. Today I'll be playing Don't Push the Button. So yeah, let's get started. Somebody already pushed the button, so yeah. Awesome. I got it right. Okay, I'm going to green. I'm going to green. I'm going green. I'm going green. Come on, please, please. Yeah. Oh, it was the one I was at last time. Yellow. Yellow. How about yellow? I always win games like this. I don't know why. Oh, I take it back. I lost. Okay, I'm in the spectating cube. Ah, okay, it's over. I want to push it. I want to push it. Let me push it. Ah, get through all. Oh my god. Oh my god, where are the rings? Okay. I'm just falling. I swear, I don't see any rings. I think I lost. I don't see any rings. Oh, there. I'm in spectating cube. I died too many times. Ah, sucks. Okay, I want to push it next time. I really hope I can get to push it. Didn't know this was multiplayer. I thought this was single player. Huh. Okay, let me push it. Let me push it. I pushed it. Bubble wrap. Oh, this is so laggy. Ah, let me turn up the volume. Why am I skinny? This is so satisfying. I know you guys can't hear it, but button. Where is it? Oh. Ah, I died. Easy. Oh, there's more than one. Ah. This is like an obby. Don't think I'm gonna make it. Unless this is the top. Nope, didn't make it. I pushed it. Go get these guys tiles. I love these color tile games. The strategy isn't to color. The strategy is to get other people's color. To make them your color. I think blue's gonna win. Yep, blue won. Right. Yep, blue won. I pushed it. Oh, I hate this one. I've never played it, but I've seen YouTubers playing it. It just looks annoying. Why are these noobs so buff? I think the statue's gonna die. Oh, never mind. When I watch a YouTuber do this, like, there's only 2 players and the statue almost died. I'm losing damage. I mean, health. Okay, I think we're gonna make it. I'm not worried. We could just do nothing right now and still win. Right? Yeah. Nice. Okay, I gotta push the button. Push the button. I think somebody else pushed it. Ah. Oh, this one. Ah. Oh, I died already. That sucks. I saw the YouTuber do this one too, and I was excited. Oh, somebody's coming. Oh, get in, get in. Yeah. Oh, I think they made it. Yep, they made it. Yeah. Wonder what they're thinking, like, ah. Just see we just like, just vibing up here. That's like my new Minecraft skin. Like, I posted a short on it, and it's pretty cool. Oh, boulders. Where? Over and down the mountain. Shoot. Stay in between. Oh, that was quick. Okay, that was easy. What? I know you guys can't hear, but there's weird voice yelling slap, 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 clap, clap, slap, 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 slap. That was weird. Ah! The slap guy's coming. What? Okay, that's just weird. Oh, I fell. At least good. Who has a hot potato? Oh, this one. Waiting. Okay. Ah! Thought I was gonna win that one. Somebody already made it. Monkey guy. It's the monkey guy. Monkey see. Monkey do. Monkey die. That person dropped a nuke. Bro. Okay. Ah, Doge heads. Doge heads. Why are there Doge heads? There's Doge heads. There's Doge heads. Ah! Oh, this one. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot. Okay, I died. Ah, oh well. Oh, I'm the first dad. That's actually sad. Somebody already made it. It's a monkey guy. Four, three, two, one. Guys, type in the comments if you like Ed Sheeran. Type in the comments if you think Ed Sheeran or Taylor Swift is better. How about Ed Sheeran? Okay, that's easy. I was just not going to move the whole time. What are you doing? I do not know what just happened there. Oh, the spikes. Another one. Stop! Whoever's doing that, stop. It's actually toxic. This is easy. Like, whoever did that was really toxic. Like, I think I'm winning. Did I win? Oh no, that guy's in front of me. Sucks. Push the button. What? Ah, somebody blew me off already? Really? Can I go on your head? Hockey dude always wins. I don't know why. Pushed it. Oh, I just heard, here comes the airplane. I like trains. Oh, this one again. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Really? I'm not the greatest at parkour, I'll tell you that. You remember from my Nerf video. That would have been boring if I just spent a whole video on that. I mean, I spent like 19 minutes of that 20-minute video doing that one parkour thing. I still haven't beat the next level. Like, honestly. I think only that one person actually won. Okay, push the button. Pushed it. Ah, tornado. I gotta say, tornadoes are one of my greatest fears, so shoot. Oh, I know it's Roblox, but oh, I just went flying. Bro, chill. Okay, it's gone. I pushed a button. Should be doing it. Oh. No. No. Oh, somebody found the one. Okay. Hello? Would you please stop walking on the button? Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's a slide. I saw the YouTuber do it. I got a poo head later. Ah. He ate me. This one's actually kind of fun. Hope I get trampoline soon. I got a poop head. Poop hat. Across the road. Damn, okay. Really? I can't go back. I'm not doing that great at this. Pressed it. Oh, this one. I'm winning this time. Why isn't it coloring? Ah, there we go. Yeah, red's winning. Maybe not, actually. Time's up. Who won? Blue, right? Ah! Usually win these. Ah. Pressed it. Oh, fire extinguisher. Come on, get it, get it. Nice. Oh, the monkey's hockey dude. Okay, nice to meet you, hockey dude. Who's lighting lemur? Oh, Caitlin got us. I think it's over. Oh. Ah, they're screaming. Why am I screaming? This is awesome. Ah, no, no hockey dog. No, no hockey dude. Ah, nice. I got it. Hockey dude always wins. He's played this before for sure. Four, 1, 4, 4. Nice, I got it. Oh, again. 2, 1, 4, 1. Okay. Got it. Hope it's not that one again. Oh, it's a tiles. Oh, spheres. No, never mind. Come on, get it in. I fell in. Bring in the spheres. Ah, this is hard. No, no. I have to get in my own hole, which is weird. Oh, nice. Get it? Oh, I lost. What was that about? Why are there skeletons running around? It's because it's Halloween. Well, near Halloween at least. Oh, it's a space one. That random noob is just like... He's making weird rubber ducky noises. Oh, he's bouncy. Oh, snowball fight. Yeah, let's go. I'm going to get hockey dude. Hockey dude. Oh, I died. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed it. See you all next one. Bye.